We divide 106 by 5 in long division method. So 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 0. So now we put down this 6 and 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 1. So now there is no other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 10 and 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 106 divided by 5 is 21 decimal 2. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.